How to find Trust Wallet private key. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can find Trust Wallet private key. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to launch your Trust Wallet and make sure that you're logged in. In order to log in, you may have to enter your passcode or your PIN code. So enter your correct PIN code and then get logged into Trust Wallet. So once you land on your home page, if you navigate at the top section, there is a drop down that says main wallet one, that is your wallet. So all you have to do is tap on the drop down, and once you land on this page, in order to find your private key, tap on your wallet. There you have two options to view your private key. One, to use Google Drive or the manual. Here you can select manual, and here you can choose from these two options. Trust Wallet does not have access to this key, or the second option. Once select both of them and then tap on continue, and on the next page you will find your private key on Trust Wallet. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.